Hi again, my name is Dalia Garcia and thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I believe I'm a good fit for this role because I am organized, detail-oriented, dependable, and eager to learn. In this assessment, I was able to prepare a copy and layout direction for the just listed graphic for the 815 Ridgeview Drive, including the listing price, open house details, marketing call to action. This allowed me to demonstrate my attention to detail and ability to follow instructions. I feel the assessment gave me a good opportunity to demonstrate my attention to detail, organization, communication, and ability to prioritize tasks. However, I think what it didn't fully showcase my ability is to stay calm and adaptable when priorities change. Proactively anticipate what needs to be done next. But I'm also someone who learns quickly and takes ownership of my work. And I believe those qualities are best demonstrated through real life collaboration and day to day work. Thank you for the opportunity. I hope my answers meet your expectations and I look forward to hearing from you.